to us, is it in completing square or not? The first and most important thing, the question which is given to me, is it in completing square form or not? Okay. So how will I identify if the given question is in completing square or not? See, you will check how many x terms are there. How many x terms are there? So there is only one x term. Okay, there is only one x term. And it has power also. There is only one x term and there is power also. It means that it is given in completing square form. Okay, it is given in completing square form. This thing is given in completing square form. But we know that the original thing of completing square form is ax minus h whole square plus k. And over here, I haven't got any bracket. So what should I do? As long as I'm not having this thing over here, I can't do the comparison. Then I can't do the working. So, see, if I will take common, for instance, if I'm going to take common, for instance, if I'm taking 2 common, what will happen? The result will become, when I'm going to take 2 common over here, the result will become x square plus 2. This will not work for me also. Why? Because whole bracket should have a square. Over here there is no square. Square is on x, but there is no square over here. Then what should I do? I can't use this thing also. I can't use the common part also. So now, a very simple logic. Can I write it like this? Y equals to 4. There should be something added or something subtracted in this x. Okay. Now, what should I add or subtract in this x which will have no effect on x? This is x written. What will I do? I have to add or subtract something over here which will not have any effect on this thing, but it will become like this. So what will I do? I will say, okay, let's write it as x minus 0 whole square plus 2. Subtracting 0 from x will have no effect on x. Okay? Subtracting 0 from x will have no effect on x. X minus 0 will become x. Means I can go at any step, I can go back. And now this thing is just like my given formula. Now I can do the comparison by comparing. When I will do the comparing, I will have, when I will do the comparison, I will have a bracket with whole square, outside one is a. A bracket with whole square, outside is 4. So when I will compare it, it means the value of a will be 4. Okay? Outside the bracket, there is 4 written. Outside the bracket, a is written. So when I have done the comparison, a is coming 4, which is greater than 0. It means I have minimum curve or minimum turning point or minimum value of y-axis. Okay? After that, we are going to have outside the bracket something added or subtracted. So outside the bracket, what is written? K. Over here outside the bracket, what is written? 2. So K is 2. Inside the bracket, minus H. Inside the bracket, minus 0. So H will be 0. Okay. So I have found minimum or maximum value. Value of y, which is represented by this. Value of x, which is represented by this. I have to sketch the curve by indicating y-intercept. So for y-intercept, when we talk about the y-intercept thing, means x will be taken as 0. So x can be taken 0 over here or 0 over here. So when I will put 0 over here or over here, y-intercept in this given condition will be coming equals to 2. Okay. So I have got everything. Now I'm going to do the sketching. Now I'm going for curve sketching. Okay. First thing, h is 0, k is 2. So h always comes on x-axis. H is 0, k is 2. Okay, which is y also. K represents y coordinate of the turning point. It will be a minimum curve. Minimum curve means it will be made like this, where turning point will be at the lowest value of y. Okay. Now, y-intercept is also 0 and 2. So in this case, when h value is not given and you are making it by yourself, always remember that the turning point and y-intercept will be at the same position. Okay. So this is 0 and this is 2. Y-intercept is 0 and 2. So this is 0 and 2. I will just draw my curve like this. Okay. And that is the requirement which we have fulfilled.